Hi, I wanted to make a video to show you how to upload work on a computer. I have all of Francisco's work that you have sent me saved in this folder. I have another student's work here. So I'm going to open a browser, log into BCPS1. It has my name, so when you log in you should see Francisco's name. We'll go to Schoology, Reading Language Arts. The work you sent me, I think a lot of it is the letters and sounds from this week, so I will click on that little discussion. Add a comment. You see my picture. When you're doing it, you should see Francisco's either name, initials. I'm going to File. So I have Francisco's work, and I can choose the pages that you guys sent to me, or you can upload them one at a time. Open. Write his name. You have to have some comments, so you could write hi there, and then we'll hit post. This makes it so I can see and everybody can see. So here's a classmate and their work, and here's our friend Grace. Sorry. If you're using a phone or a tablet, I'm finding out right now how to upload a picture or video on a phone. I tried it, and when I go to find the documents to upload, I can't find them on my phone. So I am trying to figure that out. On your phone, it's exactly the same up to this step, and then you have to find the pictures that you want to upload, which I'll get back to you on that.